Mabuhay and what's up, madlang people? I'm Ann Patricia Lorenzo Diaz, your Reina Filipinas representing Manila. And today we are here at Beauty Projects Mandaluyong branch at sobrang excited ko po kasi po balita ko magre-reload po kami dito ng ka-freshan. Alam niyo naman dapat lahat tayo unfe-fresh.
Wow, bongga. So, other than this, how was your journey here at Reina Filipinas?
As I'm so happy and newbie ako dito eh. Alam niyo sabi ng iba parang I'm a veteran pageant queen na daw. Pero in my 15 years of joining pageants, this is my first time competing with my cisgender women sisters. So parang ibang mundo siya doon sa nakasanayan kong pageant na ginagawa ko for how many years of my life. Kasi doon parang puro mga trans Pinay sisters ko yung kalaban ko eh. But this time, mga cisgender women and I am the only one na transgender woman na nakikipag-compete sa kanila. The difference is, ang masasabi ko is parang dito kasi mas kalma, alam mo yon. Although kalma naman doon sa mga ibang pageant, pero dito parang kalma. So mga yun mas maintindihan mo na yung mga struggles and mga challenges na hinaharap ng mga cisgender women beauty queens. And now I can say that I can relate to that and I really enjoy this experience because I know that after this pageant that I really learned something lesson from them.
Malapit na yung coronation night. Ano yung mga preparations na pinaghahandaan mo?
Of course, preparation, the basic preparation. Kasi last year galing lang ako sa international pageant eh. So sa Miss International Queen. So ang maganda doon is yung mga trainings ko doon, hindi mo pa nakalimutan. Parang still a muscle memory. So ang ginawa ng team namin, of course, the basic training of Q&A, basic training of pasarela, the styling, of course, because iba yung hinihinging styling or branding ng Reina Filipinas because I am aiming for Miss Grand All-Star. So, ibang atake dapat doon compared to the previous pageant na sinalihan ko. So, ngayon, ang sabi ng team ko, kailangan i-polish lahat, kailangan paghandaan, at siguraduhin na although still Ann Patricia Lorenzo pa rin yung makikita nila, pero ibang flavor naman.
Wow, bongga, mukhang kaabang-abangan at may pasabog si
Yes.
Patricia. Anyway, international queen of Philippines, beauty queen, and a businesswoman as well. Ano pa yung edge mo among the other Reina Filipinas candidate?
Ako kasi, other than Reina Filipinas, but I specifically as a transgender woman who competed internationally, that's exactly the main reason why I am qualified to compete for the crown of MGI All-Star. And I think my edge is my experience. Of course, everyone here naman is had their own experience, had their own lessons, and of course, pageant journey. But I can say na yung gagamitin kong edge dito is yung experience ko na natutunan ko in different pageants for 15 years because I had 2 international pageants and 3 beses din ako sumali sa national pageant before I got the crown of Miss International Queen. So through that, alam ko na yung mga ups and downs ng pageant. So yun yung gagamitin ko para maging edge ko, para malaro ko yung journey ko dito at hindi magpakain sa pressure.
All right, thank you so much for sharing. And
Thank you.
You can also promote the online voting.
Okay. Guys, iboto nyo po ako. We have 3 votings na magiging fast track po. Yung una po, yung Dandy Glow, of course. We are here at Dandy Glow. You can follow the TikTok account of Dandy Glow and i-check out nyo na po. Hanapin nyo, punta lang po kayo dun sa showcase kung hindi po ako naka-live. And then, hanapin nyo lang yung picture ko and then kindly check out. At huwag nyo kalimutan na pagka-check out nyo at na-receive nyo yung item, ay mag-iwan po kayo ng magandang review. So, your vote will be counted. Second is the Bragais. So, hintayin nyo yung update dyan na para makuha kami sa fast track is for, we are all selling Bragais, yung lalabas po nila na bagong product ng Bragais. And lastly, of course, sa Eventista po, yung voting, nakashare na po siya ngayon sa social media accounts ko. And you can also follow the social media accounts of Reina Filipinas kasi po, lahat po ng updates about sa voting ay nandun po. So, ganun lang din po. Hanapin nyo lang din yung photo ko and there's a link there. You can click there and then vote for me.
All right, thank you so much.
Thank
Ann,
you.
And the best of luck.